Forgotten username recovery failed on Betterment App Fix. If recovering your Betterment username feels impossible, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or missing crucial verification steps. The surprising truth is that a few precise actions can get you back into your account quickly. Step 1. Open the Betterment app or visit the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Betterment will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails can easily get filtered, which is why many users think the process failed. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, social security number, and recent account activity. Contact Betterment support directly with these details to speed up the recovery process. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager or safe note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and prevents future login problems. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Betterment account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are crucial for keeping your financial information safe and accessible.